happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Probably you tune in because of the tech and amazing kind of video, which probably it's something which is amazing for the DJI Mavic Air. So I saw this kind of Mavic Air on the DJI Instagram account, and I was like swiping, you know what I'm saying? Swiping, and I come across it, and I was like, man, did DJI just release some new kind of drone? And to be honest about this drone, it has no difference with the Mavic Mini family. Like, it come across there, like, since DJI saw that and they decided to come up with something different when it comes to the form factor. So I think to my own kind of aspect, it's so amazing. Now for further ado, let's break it down. So what we have on this kind of DJI is all about the ultra clear details when it comes to 1.2-inch image stabilization. I think to my own kind of aspect, DJI did nail it in one way or another because of 48 megapixel of photo, well, and a 4K 60 fps video, which I think it's quite decent. It's actually not bad for that, because if you check out how much the other drones they are and this drone, what they did is actually two different things. Another kind of stuff is an enhanced on HDR, well, high dynamic range, I can call it. It's something which is quite important when it comes to photography, but as a professional photographer, we actually don't need it that much because of one main reason. If I'm gonna shoot my picture in RAW, well, why should I need the support of the sensor of the camera to push it more when it comes to HDR? Well, I'll be needing it as a RAW file, like I'm shooting a video or a photo on a flat. Well, I'll be needing it because I can do all the adjustments on the software side. So I think to my own kind of aspect, it's great and it's given. Another kind of stuff, it's all about cinematic content. Well, on the hyperlapse, I think they nailed it. It has an 8K hyperlapse, which it's having even the quick shot, so you can take a hyperlapse of 8K, but you cannot shoot video with 8K, but only time lapse in 8K, which it's actually probably not bad. The fly longer, I think to my own kind of aspect, they kind of like nailed it, to be honest. So the fly longer gives you 34 minutes of flight time. Now you cannot deny it because it's a little bit you'll be like, man, 34 minutes, just minimal. Just think about something. In 34 minutes, you've been given a session of shooting a certain video, but using only a drone, especially when it comes to filmmaking. Now, will you just blame that I have less minutes, or will you just say, let me grab an extra battery so as it's drained out, I can switch and swap with another battery? So I think DJI did a great job on this one. Having a 34 minutes, I think to my own kind of aspect, I won't even need an extra battery because it might be covering for almost an hour using two batteries. Another kind of stuff is all about the object obstacle avoidance. Well, they kind of like nailed it and upgraded it. Remember the Parrot? Is it the Parrot drone? Do you guys remember the Skydio? Well, the Skydio, I guess it has the best obstacle avoidance I've ever seen on the drone. I've never tested it out, but I've seen people testing it out, and it's something which is so bananas. I think it's awesome. Another kind of stuff is all about the 10 kilometers range. Now this, I think it's something which is so quite impressive. 10 kilometers range for distance between the starting point of yours and the ending point of the 10 kilometers. Now, does it mean that if it reaches the 10 kilometer, will it come back at the same destination if the battery is around 30% or 20%? Well, it has a flight intelligent battery whereby it will just know definitely, whereby right now I'm in the range whereby I have to return home. The drone will automatically switch everything and be back home safety. So I think DJI did a great and amazing job to improve all the sensors, and they usually do that. Like the last DJI, I can call DJI Phantom 4, how they do it, many sensors, and it's just so awesome. Another kind of stuff, it detects if there's any aircraft in the air. I think that's the most kind of great and amazing thing I've ever seen on the drone. 1 minute. I've been using the DJI Phantom 3 standard, and to be honest, since I'm using this drone, it has less sensors and it's just amazing when it comes to video, and I'm happy about it. It shoots the video on 2K, and it does not have any obstacle avoidance. So I just have to figure it out on my own, and the range out of it is not actually far away. I usually get minimal range using this kind of drone. So I think to my own kind of aspect, getting a minimal range using this kind of drone it's a little bit kind of hassle. But if you're getting used to whatever the drone you have, and well, if it shoots the best video, well, I give it go for that, because it would be something which is so awesome. So jumping out to the conclusion, if this drone is actually yours, or you're like, man, how much does it cost? Well, it costs around $900. I can call it $900 because you plus the combo of the flying, and it's just 800 and something. But plus shipping, if you're in a certain place whereby you would like to get it, especially just keep that budget of $900 so as you can get that drone. So I think DJI thought that about making this a little bit more comfy when it comes to pricing, and to be honest, I'm not hesitating anything about this drone. It's something which is so awesome. So yeah, that's what's up. So I hope some of you guys got this video ASAP. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed on this kind of amazing kind of video, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. You know, you consider substance. So there's a shadow busting me. Actually, I set up the light this way. So if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12113. You can add up that disclaimer. Another kind of stuff. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.